Everyone has experienced stress throughout their life. If stress is left unaddressed, it could cause long-term physical and mental disorders. That's why addressing anxiety, depression, stress, and all other feelings like these is essential to supporting mental and physical health. Specific vitamins and supplements may help relieve stress and anxiety. The effects can be quite useful when combined with other healthy lifestyle routines. Here, on parshealthhtv, we've gathered a list of 4 vitamins that can fight or ease stress and anxiety levels. Number 1. B vitamins. The body requires 8 B vitamins to work in its happiest and healthiest way. B vitamins such as B12 and B6 may help reduce stress, help cognitive function, and lower feelings of depression and anxiety. An Oxford research discovered that optimal B12 levels maintain brain health. Those without a B12 deficiency had a 6 times less chance of experiencing brain shrinkage than those with a deficiency. How it's used. You can get B vitamins from foods like milk, chicken, eggs, red meat, avocados, tuna, and potatoes. You can also get B vitamin supplements in pill and powder forms. Keeping proper levels of B vitamins through diet is perfect. However, those who suffer from a lack of B vitamins might find it more comfortable to enhance their levels through supplements. If you're interested in vitamin B supplements, talk to your healthcare provider about the perfect dosage for you. Additional benefits. B vitamins can sustain normal brain function, cell metabolism, and energy levels. Boosting your intake of B-complex vitamins through food and/or supplements can help you feel prepared to take on the day by supporting red blood cell growth, appetite, digestion, hormone production, cell health, cardiovascular function, brain health. If you're intaking enough of this vitamin naturally through your daily diet, it's not always required to take vitamin B supplements. However, it's suggested for those with a deficiency, those who are 50 or older, are pregnant, those who take specific medications, those who have a vegan diet, or those who have certain chronic conditions. Again, always consult with your healthcare provider before adding a new vitamin or supplement to your daily eating habit. Number 2. Vitamin C. A 2017 randomized, blind, and placebo-controlled trial discovered that vitamin C can help fight oxidative stress. This study shows a promising look into the power of antioxidants to help healthy and stable moods. However, more large-scale studies require to be confirmed. Vitamin C also helps prevent the buildup of excess cortisol, a stress hormone in the bloodstream, during times of raised tension. The less amount of cortisol in this system, the less chance of feeling stressed or noticing the physical symptoms of stress such as fatigue, high blood pressure, or headaches. How it's used. Vitamin C is in numerous common foods, such as citrus fruits, tomatoes, broccoli, potatoes, and spinach. Consuming these foods regularly can boost your vitamin C levels. However, vitamin C supplements can be useful for those with deficiencies or strict diets. Grocery stores, online stores, and pharmacies sell vitamin C supplements. You can take daily capsules or mix vitamin C powders into drinks such as water and smoothies. Be sure and consult with your healthcare provider before modifying your diet or adding a new vitamin or supplement to your daily routine. Additional benefits. One of the key roles of vitamin C, aside from decreasing stress levels, is its ability to assist with the growth, development, and rehabilitation of bodily tissues. Those who intake proper amounts of vitamin C can benefit from healthy immune system function, prevention of iron deficiencies through vitamin C's help in iron absorption, aid in managing blood pressure, and advancement in stress levels. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to get more informative videos. Okay, let's see the next vitamin. Number 3. Vitamin D. Fortunately, vitamin D is the vitamin the body synthesizes after exposure to sunlight and is essential for absorbing calcium and phosphorus and supporting immune system functions. Vitamin D is also necessary for the growth and development of teeth and bones. A small 2020 research pointed out that vitamin D can affect academic stress levels and, in turn, relieve extra stress levels throughout the body. Students, in particular, may be able to lessen the consequences of stress by exposing themselves to sunlight or taking vitamin D supplements, such as D3 capsules. How it's used. The most natural way to intake vitamin D is through a daily diet and exposure to sunlight. Milk, fatty fish, certain fortified cereals, and egg yolks are excellent sources of this essential nutrient. Supplements such as daily capsules and powders are also fantastic alternatives. It's worth mentioning that vitamin D3 does have upper limitations, so be sure to consult with your healthcare provider before adding it to your diet and stick to the suggested dosages. While sunlight is one of the best sources of vitamin D, ensure to put sunscreen and limit sun exposure in excessive amounts to prevent damaging your skin. Additional benefits. This vital vitamin can do more for your body than you think. For instance, vitamin D supports your immune system, supports heart health, supports your mood. Vitamin D helps your body work appropriately, and improved physical health can make it more difficult for your mind to slip into periods of stress, anxiety, and depression. Number 4. Magnesium. Magnesium is critical for helping brain health and stable mood. Investigations on magnesium in the central nervous system lead researchers to believe magnesium deficiencies may be related to heightened stress levels. How it's used. Magnesium is abundant in a wide variety of foods, such as whole grains, vegetable seeds, nuts, leafy greens, potatoes, and fruits. However, be aware that raising your magnesium levels through the diet may take a bit longer than supplements. Supplements can boost magnesium levels almost instantly, but we suggest consulting with your healthcare provider before making the change in your routine. Additional benefits. Similar to the other minerals, herbs, and vitamins mentioned earlier, magnesium can support various bodily functions, like heart health and exercise performance. Vitamins and minerals are vital for almost every aspect of health, like mental and emotional health. Certain nutrients called antioxidants, such as vitamins A, C, E, and selenium, can help combat cellular damage. The term antioxidants mean antioxidative damage, which is the damage generated by free radicals, the end result of oxidative stress induced by environmental stressors. Think of it something like how oxygen can rust metal. Here, free radicals, reactive chemical combinations, and rust cells. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like it. And please share our videos with your friends to support our team. Thank you, guys, for tuning in.